Hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone. My name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting, and today we're going to make some popcorn. So what you see me doing right here is I'm putting some oil in the pan, which is already hot, and I'm going to put some popcorn seasoning in there. Now, some people choose to wait till after the popcorn is popped to put the seasoning on. I do some before and some after. So now I'm putting the popcorn in. And everything you see here was purchased at Amazon, even the popcorn maker. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wait for it to start popping. So while that happens, I want to know when the last time you guys have made popcorn this way. Once in a while I do buy it from the bag, in the store, a bag of popcorn. But when I do it this way, I tend to know what goes in my popcorn. So as you can see, it's starting to pop right now. And I love watching it pop. I love watching it pop. I love the smell. I just love everything about making popcorn. So what we're going to do, we're making this popcorn because we're going to sit down and we're going to watch a movie. So as you can see, the popcorn is still popping. It's almost finished. So we're just going to give it a couple of more minutes for the little bit of kernels to continue popping. As of right now, I believe the popcorn has finished popping. So what we're going to do next, we're going to turn off the popcorn maker because as of right now, it's still on. So in a couple of minutes, you'll see me do that. But what I like to do is just wait a couple of minutes until I know for sure there's no more any more kernels popping. Because what I don't want to do is take the lid off and they still popping all over the place. I've done that before. It's not cute because you'll have to clean it up. So as you can see, it's finished. So what I do is I turn it over and shake all the seasoning out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit of more white cheddar seasoning on the top. I love fresh popcorn. I love it, love it, love it. Yes, ma'am, I love it. Look at that. That looks so yummy, guys. I put some theater salt on the popcorns earlier. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some cheddar, some white cheddar on top. And again, all of this could be purchased from Amazon. I love the way that tastes.